Hello everyone! We're going home. We just finished our catechism class. Hi, Bananeng.
Hi.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
What did you learn today, Kuya? What was your lesson?
The Paschal candle.
Oh, the Paschal candle.
Yeah.
So, ano yung Paschal candle, anak? Can you share to Mommy?
Before that, if you don't know what Paschal means, it means Easter.
Oh, Easter. Okay.
Okay. The Paschal candle is made out of beeswax, pure beeswax, and the bees that made it are virgin bees that symbolize the forever Virgin Mary.
Oh, okay. Good. So, Paschal candle for Easter, written during Saturday, Holy Saturday, for Easter Vigil. Thank you, Kuya.
Bye.
Bananeng. Going home.